Mauldin 1860B.
Here we go, it's coming to Asphalt. All right, today is a big day. First time using this big paver, a 20,000 pound paver. You know, we've always used smaller pavers. I know, this might not be a big deal to a lot of people, but it is to me. We're trying to move up, go to the next level. The Lord's guiding me. He's gonna be on this paver with me today. My dad's looking down. I don't know, I'm full of emotions, excited, I'm thrilled. I just can't wait to see how this all turns out. When y'all see it, jump on it, let's go. Everybody's got a job. You rake, Adrian, hey, Micah. Make sure we got our rhythm going. When that truck backs up, that apron, if it's not diesel it down. Hey, yell at them. See a low spot? I'm dead serious. We're about to push this truckload out in 10 minutes. Some of you paving guys may have seen this. You're laughing at me. Oh, Chad, I can do it in 5 minutes. Well, good job. I've never done it before. Let's see what we can do. Hey, I got people sitting around. It's time to fire people now. Yeah. Whoa. Hey, mira. Hey, I'll throw some asphalt down there. We'll have enough. It's okay, the screen's hot, don't get in a hurry. Hey, in about 3 minutes, hit it with the big roller. That roller's coming with us no matter what. Every paving job we do from now on. I'm never leaving it home. Now you know how the rest of the world feels when they pave. That's why they're like this all the time. That's why they're doing this. Yeah, bro. Now, hey, just like that.
Does that mean we're all gonna get fat now?
Huh?
We're all gonna get...
I took the chair off, bro. I ain't getting fat. Hey, Anthony, no hands. No hands. No hands, Kevin. No hands, bro. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Paver's running. Kevin. You know what I'm thinking about right now? Think about Forrest Frank, bro. God is good. God is good, bro. All the time. I ain't gonna lie, it took us about 25 minutes to run that pass. Fun. Oh, it's actually fun. I had fun on the paper today. You know? I had a lot of fun. So, today was great, man.